Okay, so this is Flexipay app. I've logged into the Flexipay app. This is an app, you can download it. It is available on your computer, on your phone. You can be able to download it. And after you have installed it, I am putting in my PIN. So I can be able to put in my PIN like that. So, and then after that, it will log in. Now, if I want to add the money here, I click on Fund Wallet. You first have to put money on the wallet here. It asks, do you want to link any account? I say no. Then I come here and I choose mobile money. There is Stanbic Bank and mobile money. So I choose mobile money option. Then it automatically selects where I want to pick money from. Do I want to pick from my number or from another number? So in this case, I want to pick from my number. So I can come here and I say I want to put 10,000 shillings. And for a reason, I just want to say I want to maybe do some savings. Okay, so I put money here onto my, then I say submit. Okay, so it will initiate, as you can see, it has initiated. So let me put in my PIN. So this is my PIN from MTN. So it is going to show you here that it has initiated money from Stanbic Bank. So after that, money has gone to been initiated by Stanbic Bank. So after I've done that, if I come here and I click on my mini statement, it is going to show me the money which I have loaded. I had this 15, then I've loaded another 10,000. Yeah, so that is my you see the balance has updated. There was 15, now there is 25. Now this is a wallet. A wallet here, Flexipay is a wallet. You don't need an account with Stanbic Bank. You just install this wallet, you can load the money to it through mobile money. And after you have loaded this money, you can use it to buy airtime for another network. You can use that money which you have loaded here to pay for your car, URA, national water. So you can load the money onto Flexipay and use that money to do other things. Now, one of the other things that you can do is you can send this money, and there's an option of sending this money to another person who has Flexipay, maybe your friend, or you can send it to mobile money. That is, you can withdraw the money. Maybe you had loaded this money from MTN, you can send it to Airtel, or you can send to the bank. So in this case, we are going to send to the bank. You want to bank this money to Stanbic Bank right from your home. So it will ask you that you have not linked any accounts. Do you like to link one? You say no. So you come here and say you want to send to bank. You come and choose other accounts. You want to send to another account, not to your personal account. So here, you come and put in the ITAU SACCO account number, which is 903 001 94 88 6 58. This account number is also available on the ITAU website. You can be able to find it. Then you put how much money do you want to send to the bank. So you can say I want to send 1,200. Okay. Reason, you can say Mukalele Rogers savings. You see, put there the reason. Then you choose the wallet account that you want to send. So from there, it will validate and it will tell you that you want to send this money to that, and the total amount is Mubiri, and you'll be able to say done. Congratulations, you have managed to send to bank. So you had 25, so you have managed to do some savings, and you have sent money to, and you are going to receive an SMS which is telling you that you have managed to send Mukalele savings via Flexipay, and this money is going to be banked on the Stanbic Bank account. Thank you very much. That is how you can save money to the ITAU SACCO using Flexipay app. Okay, so in case you don't have a smartphone, you can use *291# to save money on the ITAU SACCO from your mobile money straight to the bank. So you press *291# and then you press enter. So when you press enter, it asks, are you a customer or are you a merchant? So I will say I'm a customer. Then it will ask you to put in your PIN. It will ask you that would you like to proceed from where you left off? You say no. Then from there, you come here and there's an option of mobile money. Now, mobile money, if you want to load money from mobile money, you come here and say 6, and then it asks you deposit from MTN. So you choose deposit from MTN, and then you choose your number. This is the number you registered with Flexipay. And then from there, you can be able to put there the amount you'd like to deposit. So for example, I can say I want to deposit 5,000 shillings. And from there, they will charge me 0 shillings. Yeah, they just charge 0 shillings. They don't charge you any money. So you put there and then you confirm. You press again your *165, and then you put in your PIN. When you put in your PIN, your money is going to be deposited onto the account. So after you have deposited the money onto the account, you go again and press *291#. And then from there, you click on again customer. Would you like to from where I left off? You say no. Then from there, you come and you select funds transfer. Funds transfer, that's what you choose. Then when you choose transfer to other accounts. And then from there, you choose wallet to bank account. Then from there, you choose wallet to other account. That is the other account you want to put the money. Then you put in the ITAU SACCO Bank Account, which is 903 001 94 886 58. Okay, so from there you put in the amount of money that you want to transfer. So in this case, I want to transfer 11, or I want to transfer my 5,000, which I have just deposited. So I put that. Then from there, I put the reason for transfer. I put there savings for Mukalele Rogers. See? Then from there, you ask me to approve. Dear, you want transfer? So I pin. Okay, so it says, okay, so I'm going to say next. Okay. Yeah, so account balance that, funds transfer, excess duty, I say yes. Yeah, so after successfully approving the transaction, you are going to receive a message from Stanbic telling you that your funds was successful. Yeah. So members, that is how we can save money. Either you can use the Flexipay app or use the USSD for those who don't have smartphones. In both cases, you have to first register. The registration process with the app will be there. When you first open the app, it will ask you to register, and you take your national ID photo and you submit. And if you're using USSD, it will still ask you where USSD, and you submit your NIN, and you'll be registered. Thank you.